It's full of cheese. There's a multiple layers of chutneys, cheese.
Right now I can see the fresh jalebi is taken out from the sugar syrup.
There's a horror story behind this beach.
Yeah, people disappear from this beach.
Yeah. Hi guys, welcome to
Surat.
No, welcome to Unfiltered Stories, and we are in Surat.
Today we have come here to try typical Gujarati breakfast, which usually Gujaratis have. We have come to try locho. We are in Parle Nagar, right?
Yeah, it's Parle Point and it's called Janvi Locho.
Jani locho.
Jani Locho, sorry. And this vlog is going to be about all the Gujarati food you can try and you must try when you are in Surat.
So when it comes to taste, it is almost similar to khaman, but it is like a paste. Like khaman ka paste they do, then they had some shape, then they had ghee, then they give you with chutney and onions. So the entire combo is really good.
Chutney is the key here. It's really good, really taste. I would really recommend if you are in Surat, do try this. So for second part of the breakfast, we have come to Surti Kaman House near opposite to 3G Arcade. We are going to try famous Fafda Jalebi breakfast of Gujarat. And I have already eaten a few because I was so hungry. We took 30 rupees worth of Fafda and some jalebi, 2 jalebis because we didn't want to eat more, but it's very delicious. This is the first time I'm trying Fafda and jalebi with the curry in Gujarat. It's very delicious. Proper combination. This is also made up of besan, so they make a thin layer of it, as you can see here, and they scoop it off, then they deep fry it. You will get lot of other Gujarati stuffs here in the same place. So if you want to try many things, you can try here. Or else you can go to different places like we are doing. So stay tuned, watch the video till the end.
So it's lunchtime, and to try authentic Gujarati thali, we have come to Kansar Thali near LP Samani Road.
And they say, eat good, feel good. So you wanted to try something Gujarati, like Gujarati authentic food for lunch. So if you are in Surat, we have got a lot of recommendation for this place.
Yeah.
And we want to try and see how these dishes are, what Gujarati dishes are. We have tried many Gujarati dishes
So
in
far,
Bangalore.
yeah.
But we don't know how, is it a really taste of Gujarat, or we'll come to know today if it's a taste of Gujarat. They serve you like really fast, really fresh food. So I have remembered the names of all the dishes. So I'm going to tell you the names of all the dishes. So this is gulab jamun. They'll serve you 3 types of dal, one khadi, 2 types of dal and 1 khadi. So this is sweet dal, this is spicy dal, and this is channa, this is potatoes, and this is that, this is this. Because there are a lot of items, you could not remember the name of everything. So my favorite here is this dish is white in color and it's a Srikhand of flavor Sitafal. It seems to be all the dishes have hint of sweetness and they give you big green chilies and onions.
He can't handle spice and he's eating green chili.
For the camera, don't tell for the camera. Since it is unfiltered stories, you'll know I don't handle spice very well. But she does. It spicy.
Manageable.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
It was spicy.
So do you suggest eating that chili?
If you can handle spice, yeah.
So you think you can handle spice?
Better than you.
Better than me, but she could not handle it. So I don't know. Maybe only Gujaratis can handle sweet and spice together. This unique thing.
So we have come to Thai market to try delicious street foods, and our first street food is Chinese bale. We added some cabbages, some puffed rice, some sauces, some special chutney, some coriander leaves, and mixed everything. And then the end result was awesome.
So next thing in Anurag's recommendation was cone chaat. Is a new thing in Surat. And this thing you see is full of cheese. There's a multiple layers of chutneys, cheese, I don't know what not.
Next on our list was dal pakwan, and we found a nice dal pakwan at Sai Ragda Peti. It's okay, it's not very great. One time you can try, if you're in Gujarat, you can try this.
So there is no shortage of food in Prime Market, but we wanted to try food from other side of Surat, that is Chowk Bazaar, and here you will get lot of non-veg food. But we were not here for the non-veg. We were here for
India runs on chai, but Gujarat definitely runs on chai because there are a lot of tea stalls, and we have come to one of the famous tea stall in Surat, that is Al
Khalil.
Chai was really super, really awesome. She's not a chai lover, but
Still I had a chai.
we have now come to eat special Mawa jalebi.
Right now I can see the fresh jalebi is taken out from the sugar syrup, and it's just hot over here. I'm just very eager to eat this. So this jalebi is very tasty. You know, I have eaten best jalebi in Punjab, Amritsar. That was very delicious, and this is a tough competition to that. So this place is in Chowk Bazaar, just beside Alkali Chai Wala. So you can find this jalebi wala over here and buy amazing jalebi from him. I don't even remember what I had because I've eaten so much today since evening. This is, I think it's my 7th dish in last 2 hours. And this is a cocoa, a famous drink in Surat. It's like chocolate milk, and I think this is going to be my favorite drink over here.
this drink was unique and very delicious, and do check the description for the exact location and names of these eateries. So this is Dumma's beach. Dumma banda Dumma. She's scared. She's not even speaking one word. It's so dark. There is a horror story behind this beach.
Yeah, people disappear from this beach.
Yeah, I think if Aisha is not there tomorrow, I don't know. Maybe it is Dumma's beach effect.
I'll show you the haunted place also. Come, let's go. I'm there
So
now.
if you are in Surat,
I'll show you the old bungalows which have been abandoned.
see the voice behind the camera is Anurag. They are proper now. Nothing happened to us. Right?
Yes, nothing happened. So
Let's go back and let's.
Let's go and let's eat some bhajia now.
So we are near Dumma's beach entry. So this is called Dumma's Circle, and we have specifically come here for 2 things. One is Dumma's beach, which is a haunted beach, and one more thing is a special bhajia. We have heard lot about this bhajia. It's called tomato bhajia. It's famous because you can't make fry of a tomato because there is lot of water content in it, but they somehow managed to fry it. The first time I'm trying tomato fry. It's covered in besan, basically chana powder, and they have deep fried it. It's unique. It's unique taste. I've never tried this. It's good.
I tried onion so far. Onion seemed good. Now I'm trying chili.
Chili fry you should try. This one. This is chili.
But I'm trying chili. This is good. Try this. It's not spicy. It's
no,
not
no,
spicy.
no, no. It is spicy. It's spicy. So you get this with this chutney. It is like a curry, but it's a different type of chutney. Yeah? I mean, that's why we travel. We come to know many things.
So now we have come to try egg in Surat, and we are at near NIT Surat. Basically, many people recommended us come here, try this delicious egg dishes over here.
So there are a lot of students from NIT, National Institute of Technology, come here and try these different types of egg. There are a lot of dishes. With one egg, he prepares like lot of dishes. Like you can look at this menu, and it is like fancy names like Russian thing, whatever, I don't know. Trying only 2 dishes because it's a lot of things.
Cheese, lot of
oil,
and it's too heavy for us.
and my mouth is watering. So there are 2 dishes. One is Surti Gotala, which we wanted to try because it's a famous dish in Surat, and one more is Russian fried cheese. It's so good,
It's very good and it's very heavy also.
and they prepare it in such a way that first they prepare sunny side up, then they keep it aside, then they prepare a gravy out of egg. They put some chutneys and their homemade
Masala.
spices, I guess. Yeah. Then they make one more gravy, like basically a tadka. For example, for the Russian one, the Russian cheese fry, they did some tadka with dried chilies and all. I was like, this is like proper Indian, and they are putting tadka in Russian fried cheese. Like I don't know what is it called. I mean, it's really interesting, and it's really they went ahead and experimented a lot.
It's a really good stuff in Surat. If you're a non-vegetarian or a vegetarian, then definitely visit these places and try these different kinds of eggs.
This is something you can eat once in a month, not every day. Hopefully this video was helpful for you guys, and we wanted to show all of the food which you can eat in Surat. If you have missed anything, please let us know in the comment section. And that is it from this video. Until next video, take care. Bye bye.